So you'll get given pre-seed material a couple of weeks before the exam. Do not panic. We have got your backs. We'll give you loads of information, loads of help on it. But this is basically what you need to know. So obviously the information is going to be about the organisation and the industry. Now, you need to think to yourselves, right, what type of organisation is it? And what I mean by that is, how big is it? Is it a large PLC? Is it not listed? Is it a small startup? Is it old? Is it new? Are there any specific history things relevant that's given, such as it's got a real good established customer base or something like that? Is it growing or declining, and why? Then we need to think about, well, what's its place in the industry? Where does it stand? So think about where accountancy stands in its industry. How unique is it? Is it the only company online? Not very unique anymore, I suppose. How is it standing in the industry? Is it known for having great customer services? Is it known for being very innovative? What's its place in the industry? Has there been any recent developments mentioned in the pre-seed material? And what was our reaction to it? So think about things like AI or, whatever it might be. Just make sure that you understand that. Two more things. Resources. What sort of resources have we got in terms of finances, in terms of human resources? Does it mention there's a shortage of skilled labour? Obviously, that's not going to be the case every time. I'm just giving it as an example. What are our suppliers like? Are we reliant? Are we over-reliant? Do we have great suppliers? Do we have great retail partners? Will that really help? So we're looking at the resources both inside and outside. And finally, are there any big ethics issues? So somewhere there'll be mention of our values. We're going to make sure that we're holding to the values. And there'll probably be something about sustainability, which will be important. But as you can see, it's not going to be a huge thing to worry about, and we're going to help you with each and every one of these, and we're going to be testing you on each and every one of these, and you'll go into the exam with a really great understanding of the industry, which will really help you. We're not going to help you question spot, because that's pointless. In fact, the examiners have said we're going to make sure you can't question spot. We're going to be really careful about what we give away. But you just go in, and the whole idea of this is, like in real life, you look at an industry and you think, actually, I know quite a lot about that industry, and that's going to help me in, understanding the business. So we're going to go in, or we're going to help you go into the exam with a real great understanding of the organisation, of the business, of the industry, because we've helped you with this pre-seed material.